Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of GRP. Today we're going to be rolling around with one of our buddies. Probably get into some trouble. Yeah, guys, when we get into the action.
True that, true that. My bad.
Where are you?
Yeah, thanks, man. I'm at the gas station. I almost just exploded the whole thing. Why isn't it the city?
I don't know. Apparently you shot my front tire out too.
Yeah! I heard something pop.
Alright man, come back to ALP.
Okay.
Go northbound on the whatever road it is. I'm not waiting at all. Not waiting
You've
at
already
all with the
sabotaged
muskets.
my car.
What? Steal a car?
Okay. No, so if I just go down the same road I went up, you won't be there with a musket.
No, don't come down the same road you went up.
What, you want me to go cross the bridge?
Yeah, go across the bridge.
Oh my cunt, I have to turn around now.
I love that though. I heard them say, "You're not in a call with them, are you?"
I'm just like, no. Maybe they heard you through my, like, mic or something. Some weird glitchy shit.
Are you in a car?
No, I'm in a motorbike. Why? Where are you? Hey, you bitch!
I knew you were in a car as soon as I saw that car go wonky.
You're gonna chase me now, huh?
Yeah, with my one front tire. What are you complaining about? I can turn just fine with this thing. Alright, I lied. I can't. Are we about to have a musket battle?
No, run!
We're about to have a musket battle, aren't we?
Retreat!
Don't get hit by any cars!
Oh god. This is ridiculous. Ah! Save me!
I'm sorry, I thought that was a blank.
you revive me! Revive me!
It's 188, right?
Oh my god. This bitch just shot me. It'd be funny if a cop drives past, just dead on the floor. I think I'm just dead.
I got a bunch of uses.
How long does it take to charge uses?
I have 10 uses. I've used 2 already. Alright, that's number 3.
I think I'm dead. You've killed me.
I shot you in the gut.
Fuck, I'm bleeding out a lot. I should walk into the hospital and be like, please, medical attention. I've been shot with a musket.
Uh-oh.
What?
5 out of 10 uses.
I thought you said it like a cop was gonna pull up or something.
Oh god, you're about to be dead.
How many uses left?
This is my 7 out of 10. Oh, yes!
Oh! Now I should just go to the hospital and say, help me, I've been shot.
No, get on my motorcycle.
No, I'm driving in a civilian vehicle to the hospital. Fuck you. I need medical attention, bitch.
Ha, you're in the wrong seat. Get in, no, I'll drive you, let me drive you.
Oh my god.
You're like, my friend had been shot in the gut by a musket.
Just take me to the fucking hospital.
We thought we were using fucking... I thought I was using an airsoft musket. Turns out it was a real musket and I shot him in the gut. Driving it like we stole it. But we actually did steal it. This thing's got some soft suspension.
I don't have my seatbelt on, so it will make it even worse if you crash outside the hospital. Just slam into the fence and I'm fucking out the window.
I'll walk up right here. Be like, my friend's been shot.
No, not here. At the hospital.
Oh, this is a...
No, no.
My friend's been shot in the gut.
Huh?
My friend's been shot in the gut.
Pull up over there.
Okay.
Pull up. You gotta pull up at the hospital, you nut.
Alright, get out of the car and CPR, or lay on the ground. Okay, man, I got EMS for you.
Oh my god.
Where's your friend at?
He's right here.
Okay.
We were playing with our airsoft guns, so I thought I grabbed my airsoft gun, and I guess I grabbed the wrong airsoft musket. I feel like this is all my fault.
I don't want to be that guy, but it kind of is.
You bastard!
I'm sorry, man. Everything's gonna be okay.
Sir, for this time I'm just gonna be detaining you, alright?
Okay. If you want to know, yes, this is a real musket on my back. I didn't even think it worked. I thought I grabbed my airsoft musket. We're just out in the field and I pulled the trigger and hit him in the gut.
We're dueling with fucking... Oh my god.
This is an
Zara-
airsoft musket because I thought the little BBs, but
You have anything else on you that's gonna poke, stick me, or hurt me?
nope, just my wallet.
Here, I'll take that musket off him.
Is he searching you or me?
Me.
Okay. Finds wallet with ID of Zack Hielding. Watson takes musket. Oh god. I'll do some Magic Johnson real quick.
Alright, my man, I'm gonna lift you up on the stretcher real quick. I don't know if you can hear me.
Everything's gonna be okay, buddy. You're in good hands.
Sir, is this gonna come back registered to you?
Please
Well,
help me.
it was a relic that my grandpa brought back, and I didn't even think it worked, and I thought I grabbed my airsoft musket. I didn't even think to look, so
So it's gonna come registered as your grandfather?
yeah. I can't own guns, that's why I use airsoft guns now. All guns.
You didn't realize the difference in weight?
Inspects
the
musket.
pillbox.
Yeah, the airsoft musket I have is like a 1-to-1 replica made of actual wood.
Oh, okay.
Oh my
Is he gonna
god.
be alright?
What's up?
Is he gonna be alright?
I think so. He's got one to the gut, so just be able to see if he's got any kind of perforation of his gastrointestinal tract. I assume he's got some surgery.
I've been taken straight to pillbox.
Alrighty.
They haven't taken the guns off me. Are you alive, you?
Yeah, I'm alive.
What's
So
happening
that
to you?
gun is your father's or your grandfather's?
This is my father's. Well, like I said, I thought I grabbed my airsoft musket that shoots like little plastic BBs, but I guess I grabbed the real one and accidentally shot my friend in the gut.
What did your friend do for you to shoot him with the airsoft gun?
Oh, we were just having airsoft battles like we normally do. And then we were kind of in a hurry to get down to the airsoft field.
Did he have an airsoft gun on him?
Yeah, his was the same thing as mine, an airsoft musket. But his was an actual airsoft gun because I felt the BBs on my chest.
Gotcha.
We're just on my property. In a hurry because we had to go do
Is
something.
there anything in the vehicle I should know about?
Nope. They're searching the vehicle now.
Okay.
Say it's just a shit ton of blood and 2 airsoft muskets. Or something.
Alright, yeah. Dispatch is going back clear with that, so.
Oh, the gun's clear.
What did you say for when they searched the vehicle?
What was it,
Bunch of blood
Dan,
and
I
3
believe,
bottles
holding?
of plastic pee. Sorry, what'd you say?
Oh, that's
Is your
good enough.
father's name Dan?
Yeah, my dad's name is Dan.
Alright.
Dan!
Alright, so I found some blood and a pack of BBs in the van.
Alright. Hey, do you know your friend's name?
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
What's
You
my
shot
name?
Yeah,
Demarcus.
it's DeMarcus.
DeMarcus, last name?
What's his last name?
Rose.
I'm not sure. I think it's Rose. I think he told me it once or twice.
Alright. Well, do you have anything else you got a hold him on, Riz?
No, I'm actually not sure if I'm the primary. Is anyone else here the primary?
I mean,
So what's
I don't know.
happening?
I don't know what's going on.
I pulled up when I saw him crash into the ambulance.
Out
Well,
of my eyes.
So
He didn't crash, he pulled
What's-
right in front of it, so that's
what's
why
happening?
Oh,
I was
okay,
like,
okay.
what's this guy doing?
Okay, like I said, I didn't see the whole thing. I just pulled up. Sir, do you want to be the primary on this one, or?
No, I'll take it.
Okay.
He wasn't even here, so.
I just work here.
Yeah, he
I
just
talked.
works here.
I talked to the EMS. Says he's shot
Alright,
in
so
the
I'm gonna
chest
drop
once.
you off this.
Which
Oh, there
means
you go.
he's
That's
gotta go
exactly
through
what I was
some
trying to do.
surgery.
I hit you with the ejection switch.
God damn it!
Man.
Thank you, sir.
It's all good, man. Yeah, anytime.
You're lucky, bud. That could have been worse.
Yeah,
What
I
happened?
know.
Am I getting arrested as well?
I don't think you're gonna get arrested. So, am I gonna get arrested for this, or?
Sir, I noticed a pistol in your
That's the Nerf gun.
You could say I'm also a lawyer. That's a bad idea because I'm gonna have to.
That's one thing I did right is I grabbed my Nerf gun. Or, sorry, my airsoft pistol. That's the one thing I did.
Yeah,
They're
luckily
like-
you didn't grab your pistol.
Yeah, well, I don't have a pistol. I'm a.
Hey,
You
sir.
don't?
What's going on?
I'm a
I
felon.
noticed a pistol in his leg area. Is there any way when you're done, if you could just make sure it's
Well,
Your name is
I
DeMarcus,
am-
right?
Yeah, Demarcus Rose.
was
You write up some random guy's name. You write up parts of Adolf Hitler's blood. How confusing would that be? You found so we got Hitler's blood in your
Sir,
car.
I'm just gonna take your pistol off you. Check
Oh
it
my
out.
god. This man
Oh.
really shot me. I'm in hospital. I'll be back because
Oh,
I
God.
need to go.
All good.
Oh, so
I'll be right back.
Alright.
Wow.
I know.
I got another
Pretty
pair of
ruthless
cuffs.
and SSB.
That's not how I wanted my night to go.
Yeah. It's New Year's. Start the New Year with a bang.
Literally, I guess.
Literally.
Your friend's stomach. Alright.
Where'd the fireworks go?
Well, I mean, you sort of ruined everything when you shot your buddy.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think they want to have fireworks around a dead
No.
person.
He's dead.
I don't know about that, but you did kind of shoot him in the stomach with a massive metal ball. Why was that thing even loaded?
Yeah, like how?
I don't know. Ask my dad.
How did it even have like powder in there that wasn't dry to the point it didn't even spark?
I have no clue.
You got to sort of load those things with gunpowder first, and then the
I
pellet.
just
Yeah.
grabbed it off the rack.
It's not like you can tip the barrel down either, because all the shit will just fall out.
So just left a loaded musket.
Well, my dad is kind of weird.
That's interesting.
Is that his like home defense weapon or something?
I believe so.
It's got
Home
one
defense
shot.
weapon.
One of the worst home defense weapons I have ever heard of.
Yep.
So that
Well, you got
pistol-
one
that
shot.
The pistol's gonna be an airsoft as well.
Alright, well, I don't think we have anything to hold him besides just ticking for how bad he parked, but I honestly don't care enough to do that, so.
I was in a hurry. Okay.
Do you want to grab your cuffs off him since they're yours? I don't want to take them.
Yeah, sure.
They're letting me go.
Oh yeah, hold on, I'll grab your...
I'm back.
They're letting me go.
So, one thing I can tell you, we are
What
gonna
if
be
one
taking
came
the
up to
musket
interview me and
hold
he's
your dad can come pick it up.
Alright.
Whenever he feels like to.
Yep.
One thing is, we're just gonna need it for. We're just gonna need to write down the serial number and all that stuff for the
Alright.
case, because who knows if your friend is gonna want.
Would that be funny?
Alright.
They come to
Can I get
interview
that
me and I'm
airsoft
just like,
pistol back?
Yeah.
Alright.
I believe. My troop over there has it.
Are you gonna want to
Hold
press
on.
charges?
Hey, Rizzy.
wait, did they ask that?
Yeah, they said they're
got
gonna have to
the
take the
airsoft pistol?
musket for
Yeah.
purposes.
You want to give it back to him?
Do I want to press charges?
Oh, he's grabbing it
You would have to
back
say
now,
you would
so-
have to ask him that.
Well, you got any questions or concerns?
You know what would be
for me,
funny if they
sir?
they came up to me and I
no.
just
By the way, what's
said,
his-
"Who the fuck are you?"
Here you go, sir.
Alright, thank you. Alright, well I'm gonna...
Should I drive to the police station now and say some guy shot me in the fucking guts?
What?
What was your full name again, sir?
Zack Helding. The last name is spelled Helding.
Okay.
I have a record, that's why I only use airsoft guns now. Like-
Zack is with a CK or CH?
CK. Oh, he's back. The EMS is back. Hey, is my buddy okay?
We brought him back to see you.
My buddy okay?
I'm gonna need to make a whole new fucking account. Not another account, a new character, because fucking I have like 80 vehicle registrations.
Hey, if you're talking, your
You know what I'm about to do?
throat's pretty dry.
What?
Might need some water. I got some water in my
You might
Durango
need
if you
some
need
water.
some.
I think I'm good.
No, not you.
No,
Oh.
you might need some water. The paramedic.
Yeah, this
Oh.
fancy paramedic here.
Yeah, the paramedic with a... Is that a bulletproof vest?
It is.
Ah,
It's
yes,
Sandy
sir.
though.
Sandy Shores, you don't know what to expect.
Yeah. Just like right now.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, but
if
he
your
shot
friend
his-
had a bulletproof vest on, you wouldn't have gotten shot. But
Yeah, no, he didn't have a vest on. He just got admitted at pillbox.
See what
Okay,
water
is he
does
gonna
for you?
live?
I don't know, man.
I mean, I did
Kinda-
shoot him in
kinda
the
did a number on him, yeah,
gut
through
with
the
a
gut.
musket.
oh jeez.
So
He's gonna have to eat through a tube for the rest of his
even
life.
if he does make it through surgery, there's usually about like an 80-90% chance he's gonna develop a infection.
Oh
What,
no.
what kind of gunshot wound did it look like? Like a real gun or?
What's that? It's a goddamn it's a ball. It's a steel
Massive
ball. It's a
steel
musket.
ball.
Yeah. It's not even a bullet. It's a steel
Yeah.
ball.
Yeah, it's like an inch-round ball.
Yeah.
I think it's massive and heavy.
Well, I think this is my father's home defense weapon, so...
one of the worst home defense weapons, as I said.
Hey, it's better than a cannon with grape shot.
I mean, I'd rather have the cannon at that point.
Might as well have the BB gun.
Shit.
I'd do more damage with a BB gun than I would with a fucking musket. I'll tell you that.
I don't think that's how that works.
What are you
Hit him in
shooting,
the ass.
squirrels?
Yeah.
Shoot him in the
Squirrels are
face.
invading his house.
Shoot in the face and run. Or you're
Got
shooting
the
balls.
squirrel fucking killer on the loose. I see every squirrel I see, I just shoot him and drive away. Fuck them.
I hate
Drive-by
squirrels.
squirrel shooting's the way I like it.
Society. Those
God
vermin.
damn it, Phantom.
Technically are a rodent, so.
They are, yeah.
Well, if I see a squirrel, I just prefer to run it over. Makes a nice little
Wow.
crunch.
Ruthless. Well, I'm gonna go home and protect our streets of Sandy Shores. You guys stay safe.
Yep, I'm gonna grab that musket back.
It's going down to the station with me, so.
Y'all need to
alright, I'll call my
appreciate
father.
City lights, though.
Yeah.
Yes, you.
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna get back in my totally car.
See you guys.
Hey, try not to shoot any friends.
Yeah.
that is kind of preferable.
They're saying I can shoot anyone that's not my friend. Hold on, this officer said don't shoot any of your friends. Hey. Oh my god! It's my buddy!
You little shit, I fucking you little shit, I fucking recovered.
I'm sorry! I'm
Swear
sorry!
God. That shit hurt!
I'm sorry!
Do you know that? Bullets hurt, mate.
I'm sorry, man!
You fucking shot me with a musket, what do you mean?
I thought it was my airsoft gun!
I told you, don't put them in the same fucking case!
I'm sorry!
Dear Lord, dear fucking Lord. I had to get...
Hello.
I've been stuck in an Uber all the way.
I'm sorry.
Unbelievable.
Well, wanna go to the airsoft field?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Alright. With my totally not real musket?
Wait, what?
Nothing.
I swear to God,
I,
I haven't even shot once.
hey, you might want to unmute.
Alright, where's this airsoft field that we got?
I should totally just shoot you again with the real musket and be like,
I
guys, I did it
swear to
again.
God.
I really want to do it to see what they'll say.
They'll be mad as hell.
Alright, I have to, change my clothes up a little bit. Because I'm gonna have to go in as my father and pick up my musket. I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do that though. I'm gonna be like, guys.
First, I gotta complain to the cops about some fucking car hitting me.
I'm gonna do that though. I'm gonna be like, guys, I did it again.
Officer, excuse me.
Don't say the type of truck. Just say some sort of truck.
Alright, I'll just say truck. Officer, they all drove away.
Wow.
Dear Lord. No, I'm gonna find one. I'm gonna. Alright, where's the airsoft field? Because I gotta go there.
Let's have the
The
airsoft
quote
field.
unquote.
Yeah, quote unquote airsoft field is gonna be 298 behind the berm.
I swear to God, if you shoot me again.
Oh, I'm going to.
Oh wait, shit, that's a police officer. Oh,
I swear to God, if it's that damn Dodge Durango.
he drove away. Oh my God, now I need to go follow him. Actually, no, I won't. I'll just drive over to Grapeseed.
Why are you driving a Grapeseed?
I thought that's where the airsoft field was.
No, the airsoft field is at 298 behind the berm at
Oh.
Marina.
My God.
Hello,
I see it.
anyone here?
Oh, hold up. There's a police fucking truck here. Oh, fuck. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sir. This man just drove away. What is it with these cops? What an arsehole. Oh wait, no, he's coming back. Hold up.
Hey, what's up, man? What can I do you for?
I'm here to pick up my my musket that my son used.
Okay, do you have the form that?
They
Wait, what do
didn't.
you mean used?
Well, my son shot his friend apparently, and the officers took the musket here and told me to tell, or told
Okay, give me 1 second.
told my son to tell me. Grab it. Oh hey, you're the guy that my son shot.
Damn you.
Hey, it's not my fault.
I swear to God, man.
What? Hey, I'm
All right,
sorry.
sir. Give me 1 moment, sir. I'm gonna bring out the musket, and then I'm gonna have a couple forms for you to sign. Okay, and we're
Alright.
gonna release custody of it to you.
Yep. And I'd like to formally apologize for my son's actions.
Yeah. Thank you, but what's up with your truck, mate? Like, has a kind of a dent on the side, you know, some scrapes.
Oh, that's my son's fault.
My car has some scrapes.
That's my son's fault.
Did you fucking hit me?
Oh,
Did you
I've been at
fucking-
home all day.
You did not scratch my fucking car, mate.
I didn't. I haven't left the house all day.
You did not.
Right, I didn't. Alright, well, I gotta sign these forms.
Excuse me.
But
I swear to God, if you hit me, man,
I
I
didn't.
swear to God.
Hey, gentlemen, sir,
Yep.
in the pirate hat. Hey, man, you mind backing up a little bit, giving this guy some
Okay.
space? I'll be with you in a moment. Okay. Thank you. Okay, sir, I'm gonna put this clipboard on the table here. Okay.
Alright.
I just need you to sign on the dotted lines. Okay, this is just releasing custody and stating that it is your weapon and you are telling the truth under our law here. Okay.
Yep. Alright. That one. Let him. That one. Alright. Alright, here you go.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna go ahead and put
Yep.
the musket on the table.
Yep.
All right, sir. The weapon is yours.
Thank you.
No worries, sir. You have a good.
Whatever you do.
All right, buddy in the pirate hat. What's up?
Yeah, so I was driving down the freeway.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
Warning, armed, non-compliant, repeat offender, hostile.
Yo, Yeet.
What?
I'm here at the 298 spot.
That field?
The airsoft field.
What'd you tell the cops, huh? What'd you tell the
I
cops?
said gray car, didn't get a license plate. Rammed me on the road, that's about all I said.
Oh my god, perfect parking. Alright, man. Start on this end of the field. You start on this end of the field, I'll start on the other side. I'll start by the berm.
Right. Off. Off. I also bring my airsoft pistol.
I brought my airsoft pistol as well, don't you even think about
I
it.
also bring my submachine gun.
Your airsoft submachine gun.
Cause that's a thing.
Alright. 3, 2...
Hold up.
What? What?
Okay, good to go now. 3,
Alright.
2, 1. Let's rock it and roll it.
Where are you?
What?
Oh god.
Ah! Ah!
God damn it, I
You
grabbed the
fucking
wrong
shot me
musket!
again.
Where'd I hit you? Where did I hit you?
Right in the neck! Not the neck, the chest.
Oh my god, I did it again!
You bitch!
I'm sorry! God! I hope
I-
you'll still be my friend.
I told you to grab the airsoft guns, yet you still
I
grabbed
did.
the
I
actual
could have
one.
sworn I grabbed the one with the orange tip.
You... Whoa! Shut you fucking bitch!
I'm sorry.
You're an asshole, I'm gonna shank you in your sleep!
I'm sorry.
You can't be sorry!
Help, officer.
You can't be sorry!
I'm
You
sorry.
can't be
I'm
sorry!
sorry.
My god, is it that hard?
I'm sorry. I'm stupid.
Are you fucking colorblind? It's orange, not
I am
fucking
colorblind.
gray. I can tell.
I'm sorry.
I'm starting to feel lightheaded.
Oh god, officer, please help CPR. I didn't mean to do any harm.
You're an asshole.
Alright.
You're an asshole. You're an asshole. Please just shoot this man.
Why are the cops pointing guns at me?
Shoot him! Please!
I'm sorry.
You don't deserve to live.
Are we still friends?
No! Of course we're not fucking friends! God damn it!
This is the second time I've done this.
Starting to feel.
Oh, don't die. Don't go towards the light. I did it again.
I feel like it was on purpose.
It wasn't.
What's going on today, man? Hey, are you the son of
Academics.
are you the son of his dad who just came and picked that musket up?
I'm dying.
How the hell do you have it again?
I was at the house, and my buddy asked me to go play airsoft again.
Okay, if you're playing airsoft, why do you have a musket?
He puts it in the same case as the airsoft one.
Please get a doctor. I'm fucking dying.
Okay, and I see you have a holster on your hip. Is there going to be another weapon there?
Nope. Maybe actually, it's the airsoft pistol, the actual airsoft pistol.
Okay.
I tested that one.
Okay, who's primary on this scene? Which one?
Me.
Okay, I'll let you deal with him then. I'll search him for you. Make sure
Please,
there's nothing on him.
just get me a
I'll hand him over.
doctor. I can barely breathe.
Investigation with the musket.
Please. I hope you know you're an asshole.
I'm sorry, man. I think this is the last time I'll play airsoft with you.
I'm not fucking talking to you next time.
What is that guy doing all the way over there with a medic bag?
I feel lightheaded as shit. I think I'm about to die.
Is there someone down that's here?
I'm blacking out.
Yeah, my buddy's right in front of me.
Anyone else see him?
Stay alive, buddy.
You're a bitch.
What have I done? Just lock me up. Hell, I'm gonna kill my dang friend.
So I'm gonna go put the musket and the airsoft pistol on your hood there, and then here's his ID.
Okay, apparently there's a dead body. Does anyone else see the dead body?
I did it again.
Right here? I got him right here.
Okay, it must just be me then.
He's not in the water, right?
No,
This is
he's
the
right
only
here.
one? Okay.
I did it again.
He fucking shot me.
What's going on? It's just weird.
He's a fucking murderer.
I'm just screwing up today, I guess. Here, I'm gonna put this on the ground right here. So what happened?
Well,
He's discharging a musket.
He fucking shot me.
Two people here, but I only see one. But from what I'm gathering, they were playing quote unquote airsoft. And
What's this?
if I'm not mistaken, the musket for an airsoft weapon.
This may quote unquote be a airsoft gun.
This AK looking thing on the ground right here?
Yo, what's up, Watson?
How's it going, John?
Oh, you know, living the life.
You see this AK looking thing on the ground too?
Yes.
Yes.
that's an airsoft gun. I got shot by it.
Alright. What'd your friend get shot by?
I guess that fake airsoft musket.
You mean the musket that your son shot earlier?
What?
That was deemed to be a real musket?
I am the son.
So you shot
Yeah,
the
he's the
same
son,
musket
yeah.
again?
Well,
Yep.
so he said that his dad just brought it home, which he did because I dealt with the dad at the station. I
I'm
released
gonna go
the
grab the
musket to
stretcher.
him.
You grabbed it again, reloaded it with gunpowder?
Same shit, different story.
I watched him load it.
Okay,
Shit,
you
same
watched
And then
him
you brought
load
it here?
No, he put it in the airsoft case like a stupid person. I guess I grabbed the wrong one again.
Okay.
Sorry, friend.
Hey, if
Fucking
Oh shit, what's up there, bud? Living the EMS life. Look at you.
Hi.
hey, can I talk to you
Alright,
quick?
somebody help me lift him up. I'm gonna
Yeah,
drag him on the
yeah.
stretcher here.
Hunt, you here?
Oh. All right, you ready?
Let me talk to
1,
you quick.
2, 3.
Beautiful.
Hey EMS, what's his status?
Appreciate that. I would assume he drowned. Was he in the water?
No.
Sir, I can't give you a straight answer on that. I didn't see him in just
All
turn
right.
out.
He
It
was
looks like you got a
shot by a
gunshot wound
musket.
as well, but you got shot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna secure that weapon real quick.
Alright.
Hey, sir, I'm just gonna hold on to the musket for now, okay?
Yeah, it's so good.
I shot you in the let's just say I shot you in the chest again.
Thank you, thank you.
Your name's Zack Hilden, correct?
Zack Helding, yes.
Hilden. Okay.
L-D-I-N-G. Where did I hit him?
I'm gonna get over to Pillbox.
Last time I play airsoft.
Wow. I'll be right back. Gotta get my glasses.
Okay.
It's just mirrors the whole.
Pretty sure the whole entire police force is here. You guys get the whole entire police force out here for this?
No.
I guess so.
Okay, yeah, go. No, I'm good then. I'm fine. Just get me to the hospital.
Is he a felon?
Yes. Oh, wrong person.
So, that would be assault with a deadly weapon.
Attempted murder, reckless discharge of a firearm, and
He's
assault with a
not-
deadly weapon.
He's not gonna be.
But
Yeah.
and how did I
He
get?
doesn't want to press charges, so we're not gonna stop him with attempted
Okay,
murder.
well, scratch the attempted murder, reckless discharge of a firearm, and what was the other one?
Assault with a deadly weapon.
Assault with a deadly weapon.
Why did I get let go last time?
Yeah, I would get him for assault with deadly weapon, discharging a firearm, and also since he's a felon, he ain't supposed to have a firearm. So,
Not mine though.
Possession of a firearm as well, since he is a felon.
But I got let go last time.
The last time. That was the last time. You're not getting let go this time.
They're not letting me go this time.
Last time was different. You brought your buddy to the ambulance who was already parked somewhere. We didn't see you do anything to him, so.
Well, you didn't see me do anything to him now.
We have evidence this time.
What's the evidence?
We got blood here.
There was blood in my truck. Yeah, my truck.
Okay, the evidence is me hearing the musket shots. Okay, that's the first evidence. Second evidence is me arriving on scene with my body cam on, you hovering apparently over the body that I did not see until 30 seconds ago, and you scrying and willing and crying that you did it again and didn't mean to. You attending A to the person that you shot. Would you like me to keep going? Awesome. So I'll take you to the back of my car now. Mr. Pronounce your last name for me again.
Helding, H-E-L-D-I-N-G.
Awesome. Mr. Helding, you have the right to remain silent, and you say can and will be used against you in the court.
So what's
You have the
happened?
right to an attorney if you have afford one. When we point to
Hold
West
on.
San Andreas, to understand these rights that I've read to you.
Yep. There's a better way to help. So, like, let's say you're being held hostage. It's held and then ing.
Okay, Mr. Helding, you can't say that because you just admitted to. I mean, I want to say a couple minutes ago, you just said you guys were playing airsoft. So the hostage thing doesn't work.
No, I'm saying that's how you pronounce, like, helping you.
Oh, you're saying. Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah. I'm not getting like a. They are not letting me go.
Yeah, you do.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a like. If you like, subscribe. Hope you all had a happy New Year's. Welcome to 2022. Let's hope for a good year. I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.